Kaka-ML ko lang din, guys. Kaya hindi pa ako naglalaro agad kasi nag-ML muna ako.
You've been
Bago
all by
mag-live.
yourself through this?
I know who you are, and I know you're a killer.
Nag-livestream si Clem.
It's how the world
OMG, saan
works
natin yung
now.
makikita?
Lee, are those bad people dead?
Sino 18?
I hope you know what you're doing
Di
with her.
16 pa lang ako, guys.
I got it. Molly
Pamitik
said
na
Crawford is
mi,
the
kaya
only place left in
natinigilan ko
Savannah
na,
that still has people.
natali na eh.
That means it must be
Sana
where my
all
mom and dad
umaabot
are.
ng mythic.
Okay, you can come.
Kasi ano ako eh, tank, tank role ko eh. Kaya parang naka-rely ako sa mga teammates. 16 plus 10 daw, OMG! Tamang-tama for this year.
You know, she wouldn't be exposed to what she has been with you.
Ako na-stuck sa mythic honor. Ang yayabang ng mga tao today ah.
I saw my
Ba't ba ako
parents.
nagtanong? Charot! Thank you for sharing the live box.
You could leave.
Nagsimula na naman sila. Guys, kakaumpisa pa lang natin. 8,000 agad.
You can come with me.
Ano to?
I can't.
Uy guys, sana kumain na kayong dinner ah. Sana masarap yung mga ulam nyo. Thank you for liking the live guys. Grabe. Kay Pyle ka ba na-inspire yan maglaro? Sino si Pyle? Hindi ko siya kilala, sorry. Thank you for following Gaming JC. Anong nilalaro mo, JC? Kaka-start lang. Yes, kaka-start lang, Jacob. Tamang-tama. Kumain na ako ng dinner, Gavin. Sobrang sarap. Lechong paksiw, tsaka tinry ko yung dokibab ng ng Andox. Hindi pala siya masarap. Mukha siyang masarap. Thank you for following Andrew Gordon Blue. Wow! Parang sarap doon na, Gordon Blue. Pile Station daw po yung game stream. Ah, hindi ko pa siya nakikita. Thank you for sharing the live, Andrew Gordon Blue, tsaka si Peroyski. Grabe, thank you guys sa pag-share. Shout out po si
What do you
Steve.
think?
Shout out Steve Loredo 3.
Oh, mate, you
May
can't be
bilang
serious.
pa.
I am.
We are not doing that.
Uy, nakita ni Clem
Why
sila.
not?
Because
Nahanap niya. Ang galing talaga nitong bata ko eh. One more
Come
para
on, Krista.
maging
What's
150.
wrong
Ay,
with Omid?
Ala, thank you
we're
for
not
the you're
calling our baby
awesome,
Omid.
Hashina.
One of you is enough. Clementine, a little help here?
Thank you for following, Rico.
Omid the second.
Uy,
No.
bago.
Omid Jr.
No.
To admit it has a ring to it.
What if it's a girl?
And we name her Krista.
Ang bakit
But
ka na
I'm
pangalan na
Krista.
Omid?
I don't want to call her Krista.
Omid,
That's
mid na tayo
just
guys.
confusing.
Charot.
Name her Genevieve. I don't care.
How can you not care?
Ay, hindi ko alam yung pragmata. Sayang kasi Mima, di
You're
mo
not taking this
natapos yung
seriously.
credits.
I take everything
Ah, kailangan
serious.
ko ba
Especially
tapusin?
the
Kasi
Looney's future.
excited na akong laruin
talking,
din yung
and we'll be
400
sleeping in
days.
the rain
Pero,
tonight.
na-carry over naman na eh.
Remember that time in
Siyempre
Barstow?
magaling nagturo sa akin. Ah, may
Vegas
credit
weekend.
scene pa siya, girl! Hindi ko naman alam na may credit scene pa siya.
Why don't you,
Totoo ba?
Get cleaned up in the girls' room?
Bakit gusto mo
I
mag-bod,
hope the sink
Jacob?
works in there.
I wouldn't count on it. Just be careful and make sure
Omid
to keep track
kasi
of your
nasa
things.
top yung
I'll be
Lord.
right next door.
Tama. Resident Evil po na-try mo na. Hindi ko pa natatry. How much yung full chapter?
Hello?
Nakuha ko to for 149. 140. Pero sobrang sale lang nun. Nakagkataon lang. Apo ko naman ito. Sobrang, pag nasa horror movie ka talaga, may curious ka talaga, no? Kayo ba guys, gagawin nyo ba to? Titingin kayo pag binarinig kayong bagay nangyayari. Thank you for following, TikTok. TikTok. Ay, taray.
What's that?
Hello, Cyrus. Magandang gabi. Takbo agad. Oo, ako din. Tatakbo din ako agad pag di narinig ako. Thank you for following Colin Cute.
Phew.
Bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Tama,
No one's
tama.
here. Guess it's safe to get cleaned up.
Nalulungkot ako. Ang lungkot ni Clem, guys. Ang lungkot niya. Yung mukha niya, lungkot na lungkot. Ginagalit niya yung mga mod natin. Kakastart pala guys, oh.
Oh, shoot.
Eat well, Jay.
You.
Iyo. Ba't siya nagtago? Hindi ba yun siya? Ikaw ba si Omid Sidewalk? Grabe ba? Itutuloy mo ngayon yung pagluto mo ng buldak. Ano rate mo sa season 1? Sa season 1 on a 1 to 10? Siguro, mga 8. Ay, mga 7. Maganda kasi yung story, pero parang masyadong mabilis para sa akin. Ang dami kagad na mamatay. Ay, ibang
I
tao
see you.
nga. Okay.
Get out of there.
Bulag ka
You're
kung
not
ano.
fooling me.
That's my gun.
It's mine now.
Give it back.
Why should I?
Why not?
Get out here. You got anything on you? Come on, let's see. I ain't gonna ask again.
You don't
You
have
don't
to
have
do
to do
this.
this. It's mean.
You gotta be mean to keep going out here.
I'm not mean.
Yeah? And who got your gun?
Kausapin mo te lahat ng tao
I'm
para
serious.
mahaba
What else you
dialogue
got?
may
That's
madidiscover kang rare
Don't lie to
knowledge.
me. I'll pop.
Ooh. Sorry,
Give me what you
ano
got.
ko introvert kasi ako.
I'm not screwing around. Come on.
Please stop.
Give me that hat.
No.
Where'd you get it? I asked you a question.
None of your business.
None of your business.
Just
Sorry.
give it to me. Junk, junk, junk. Look at all this junk. Shit, shit,
Grabe
and more
guys,
shit.
ang dami na agad na
Why
mute
you
ng
ain't got
ating
nothing
mod.
good? Not like the last people I got. They had all kinds of good shit. That was a good catch.
Hindi niya kasi papa yun eh.
You just
Ay,
a
papa
little
niya ba
fish.
yun? O nga pala sa
You gonna
bahay
try,
niya
little
ginamit
fish?
yun. Sorry naman guys, na medyo nakakalimot tayo.
This your daddy? What a bozo.
Let's go, Omid. No. No. Ang walang kwenta naman yan yung ayaw ko pa. Like si Carly last season. Sobrang walang kwenta ng pagkamatay
I didn't mean
niya.
to. I didn't
Ito,
mean to.
ay nako. Umpisa guys.
I didn't mean
Umpisa. Alam nyo guys. Ang galing na nga nito. Thank you for the follow pala, Sidewalk, and and Romel Manny, Vince Gallardo. Taray, complete.
Can you hear me? Homie.
Thank you for following, Snowman. Welcome to the live. Thank you for following, Jay. Nakakainis. Guys, ano to? Umpisa pala na season, may namatay agad. Pwede ba, can you build up more, you know? Thank you for following, Leo. Kilala ba kita? Familiar yung Leo. Thank you for following, Radzu. Saya wala nang balak mag-release Telltale ng season 5 niyan. Oh, that's so sad. Well, ang tagal na din naman ito natapos, di ba guys? Sa tingin mo, who didn't deserve to die in season 1? Si Carly, guys! Sobrang walang kwenta ng pagkamatay niya. Eh, syempre si Lee din. Syempre, ayaw natin mamatay si Lee. Pero other than Lee, si Carly talaga. Niligtas ko yung babae yon para patayin lang ni Lily. Ano yun? So wrong.
This will never work. Look at this.
Sobrang
It's
sayang.
pathetic. The wood's too wet to burn.
Buntis si
It's more
Krista.
smoke than flame. At this rate, we'll be eating this for breakfast.
It's okay. I can wait.
Si
All we
Lee
do
hindi
is
po
wait.
siya
And for what?
pumatay.
You should be doing this, not me.
Ha? Ano
Tending
yun,
a fire
Cyrus?
so you can cook and stay warm. It's something you have to be able to
Hala,
do,
na-shutdown na
Clementine.
yung Telltale.
Otherwise-
Ganon. Sayang naman. Tingnan mo kasi si Krista ngayon. Malungkot siya, guys.
We need to find a group. People we can trust. We've been on our own for too long.
Trust? You think you can trust someone out here? Not now. Not anymore.
Hindi si Lee pumatay kay Carly.
Freezing.
Hindi nga si Lee. Si
You
Lee
think
yung
this is
pumatay
bad?
kay Carly.
Wait till we get up to
Walang
Wellington.
kwenta.
Then talk to me about Cole.
Thank you for following
If we
Rose
make
I. Who's I?
We still have a couple hard months ahead of us. This rain will turn to sleet.
Dapat kasi
Then ice.
isa lang mabubuhay
Then
sa kanila.
snow.
Ang pangit
It won't
kasi,
be easy.
okay lang naman si Ben yung mamatay na lang, 'di ba? Wala siyang kwenta eh.
It'll be better there, right?
Safer,
Guys,
maybe. So they say.
hindi sinabi ko
But I don't
ilang
know.
ilang years yung ilang months yung
It
lumipas.
has to
Parang
be.
lumaki si
I know
Clem.
it will.
We'll see. We just need to keep moving north.
Yes, it's part 2 na. Season 2 na siya, guys.
I miss Lee.
I'm sure you do. I'm gonna go look for more wood. You just keep the fire lit.
Oh, 11 years old na po siya sa season 2. Ilang years old ba siya nun? 10? 16 months later, thank you for telling me that. Informing me that. Paano nawala yung baby? Alam mo yung gusto ko talaga dito, sana pinaabot man lang si Lee sa season 2 para mas ramdam ko talaga yung feelings ko. You know, ang bilis talaga eh. Parang 10 hours lang kami nagsama ni Lee, guys. 10 hours lang kami nagkasama, tapos iiyakan ko siya. Hindi, charot! Sama ng ugali. Bawal ba tayo kumuha ng kahoy-kahoy dyan? May mga nasa lapag naman yan eh. Aray po. Sorry guys, hindi ako umiyak kasi alam ko na kasi mamamatay si Lee. Kung hindi ko lang alam, sisihin niyo yung batang ako kasi alam niya. Thank you for following, Charlie. Bakit nga kailangan patayin si Lee? Maganda naman siya doon sa story. Mahal na siguro bayad kay Lee. Kaya hindi, hindi na nila afford si Lee, kaya pinatay na nila sa teleseryeng to. Ano ba? Kailangan ko pala i-hold ba? Wait na. Nagagalit na agad. Thank you for following ZDC Bogart. Tatapusin mo yung isang season, hindi po. Hanggang episode 2 lang po tayo for today. Another highlight!
Better, but still not enough. The flames are too low.
May developing po new games. Yes, si Skybound, not Telltale. Pero I think itutuloy pa nila. Ooh, that's so nice. Siyempre, hindi
This
natin yan
won't burn.
magagamit. Okay, hanap pa tayo. Ito. Ganda to, Clem. Gamitin
This
mo
might
yan.
burn.
Nalaro mo na te Wolf Among Us. Yun yung gusto ko i-try sa susunod. Ooh, nagbago na din yung controls dito, guys. Mas gusto ko na yung controls. Pati yung voice actor niya, tinanong sa developer kung bakit kailangan siya ulit patayin. Ooh, anong sagot? Hindi na nga nila afford si Lee. Hala, may nag-aaway. Annyeong, Annyeong.
Don't fucking
Welcome
lie
to
to
the
us.
stream.
What do you think you're
Mga
fooling?
galing sa stream ni
Give us
Ning.
the truth and you don't get hurt.
Ang sarap
with
nang
me?
walang mga
Where's the
spoilers.
rest of your
Thank you
group?
guys so much.
I'm by myself.
Bullshit. She's lying. Cut the shit, lady.
It's just me.
Come on, guys. She's not sane. What the
Aray
fuck?
ko!
Run!
Hey!
Lupit talaga. Lupit talaga ni Clementine, guys. Binato ba naman sa ulo? Sabi, distract lang eh.
Get the fuck over here. Now!
Pinapatay niyo na guys yung mga yung
Come
mga...
out here, girl. I'm not fucking around. Look, girl, ain't no way you're smart enough to get out of this. Just come out.
Wait lang! Uy!
Come on!
Ano ba?
Just
Sorry guys, naninibago ako sa ano.
Hey, forget about the girl. Got it, girl.
Naninibago ako sa controls, ba't na iba? So kakuha ko ba to? Thank you guys, thank you guys.
Get the fuck over here.
Ala ko gagamitin. Okay, thank you guys.
Get out of here, girl. I'm not fucking around. Shit! Get the fuck over here!
Eh! Let's go guys. Naninibago pa ako sa controls guys eh, sorry.
Whoa.
Aray ko!
Are you fucking kidding me?
Tibay naman nung nung wood na yon. Lembulag na.
Fucking running! Quit squirming! Ah! Fuck! Ah! Ah! Let go, you little bitch! Jesus Christ! Ah!
Hey! Guys, kaya niya yun! Zombie na talaga si Clem.
Ah!
Nakagat niya yun.
Jesus, are you fucking kidding me?
Ano ba problema mo? Bitawin mo na kasi ako!
Come on, girl! You were on my last fucking nerve! Stop fucking kicking! Oh, no! Shit!
Alam ko ba yung sound sa inyo, guys? Shit! No! Ang ganda nung pinapanood mo habang nagpo-food trip, no? Nakakagana kumain. Ang init. So, nahiwalay na ako kay Krista. So, ano na nga nangyari, guys? Bakit nawala yung anak ni Krista? Namatay lang si Omid, nawala na. Charot. Naubos ko na yung piatos ko. Mahilig ka sa piatos, no, Jay? Baka nalaglag. Baka nga. Kasi nga wala na si Omid. Si Omid Jr. pa naman sana siya. Sumama na siya kay Lord. Ang cute talaga ni Clem, guys, oh. Hey! Tinatamad na ako bumili. Bumili ka na kasi kanina. Tinipid mo pa sarili mo, Jay. Madaming curious about kay Krista after niya mawala dyan. Ooh! Yes, natapos ko na yung season 1 nung Tuesday. Cool yan kahit cute. Yun yung malupit. Naginaw si Clem. Go, Clem. Hinahog niya sarili eh. Ano reaction ko at yung na-expect nila, di ba, iyak ako? Hindi ako umiyak. Kasi nga, kulang pa eh. Yung parang, hindi pa sobrang, yung malapit na ako doon, pero wala pa din. Ay, hindi ko pala pinago yung yung follower goal natin, guys. Pasensya na, Masyado ako na-excite mag-stream agad. Nasayang yung bili ng tissue. Sabi ng iba, nabaril si Krista, pero theory lang yun. Parang tanga. Parang wala talaga sagot. Thank you for following Clarence J. Anyo Nuevo. Hindi na ako muted. Bakit kasi nagsaspoil? Kasi naman. Para hindi kayo ma-mute, guys, wag tayo mag-spoil. Wag yung ginigigil yung ating mga gagandang moderators dyan. Titingnan pa ba natin to? Sige, tingnan natin. Oh no. Yun nga din ako, doon din ako na-curious, nasan kaya yung mga animals? Parang wala rin ako masyado nakitang animals dun sa Maliban dun sa mga deer na kinakain nila, wala ako nakita masyadong animals dun sa Walking Dead. Tapos ako walang mod. Para makafocus ka sa pagkain mo, Jay. Iniisip ka lang namin, Jay. Ano ba? Ubus na ata. Sa bagay. Matagal din yung 'di ba? Ay, hindi. Bagong outbreak lang din yung kay Rick nun, 'di ba? Oh no. Ay, kala ko may choice ako. Wala na si Omid pati Krista. Yes! I'm on my own now. Tignan ulit natin. Ang cute talaga ni Clementine. Ay, wow! Nandiyan si Rick, guys. Nasa comment section pala si Rick. Nasa chat natin. I was looking for a job and then I found a job. Congrats sa'yo,
Boy, it's okay.
baller. Aw, bebe. Sama ka sa akin, bebe.
Do you know where we are, boy? A lot of help you are.
Aw. Ang cute naman. Oo nga, kakareklamo ko pa lang guys na walang animals. Biglang may aso. Sorry, reference ba yun?
What'd you find, boy?
Gusto ko lang i-congrats
Where are
ikaw
you
kasi
going?
masaya tayo pag may
Wait up.
trabaho tayo. Pero actually, gusto ko na lang din makasama sa 4-piece. Ganun lang din yung sahod ko, guys. Kung ano yung nabibigay sa 4-piece.
Hello? Looks pretty run over. But you never know.
Sahod ko sa 4-piece. Gutom ka na.
Let's look around
Ay,
for
oo
some
nga pala,
food.
hindi nila nakain yung niluluto niya. Nagpakahirap pa ako lutuin yun. Kulit ni Kuya Jay. Wag po yung aso. Never ko iniisip na yung aso yung kakainin natin.
Looks
Wag
like
mo
they were a
isipin
happy
yun,
family
R.
once. I hope they left some food behind somewhere.
Wag ganun. Wag ganun, guys. Pwede tayo kumain ng corned beef. Pero wag tayo kakain ng aso at pusa, no? Wag mo
nothing
hanapin
edible.
dyan. Kalderetang aso. Kumakain ba kayo ng ganun, guys? Ay, dali, laro tayo, baby.
Hey, wanna play?
Kung walang
You
wala
wanna
ka
play
na
catch?
gagawin mo rin yan. Hindi ko talaga gagawin yun, Jay. Parang, ewan ko. Di pa naman natin na-experience na gutom na
Okay,
tayo.
bring it back.
Pero parang hindi kakayanin ng sikmura ako kumain ng aso
Good boy.
or ng tao.
Good boy.
Anyong Ri! Magandang gabi! Good
Empty.
boy.
Eric
Yung
is
tao,
looking boy.
reference to yellow. Reference to dito sa cannibalism dito sa sa episode 2 ng season 1. Let me explain!
It's not much of a tent anymore. I bet scavengers tore it apart.
Nakakainis. Tama, never kumain ng aso. Uy! Nagulat ako doon sa
Hey
bark,
boy,
guys.
what's the matter?
Ba't ka nag-iingay? Ba't ka
You have to
nag-iingay?
be quiet.
Season 2 ng Walking Dead. Yes, it's the season 2, guys. Hindi mo na tinignan. Mas importante sa akin yung pagkain ngayon, guys.
Ugh, God.
Mas nakaka-trauma, di mo alam
I'm
aso
so
pala
sick of
ulam
that
mo.
smell.
Wait mo na nalaman. Aray ko. Mahirap nga yun. Ito. Okay. Barbecue? Look at barbecue! Zombie lang ba?
It's okay. He's dead.
Thank you for following
Look,
Steven
you can see
John.
the bite. Looks like he tried to cut it out.
Hindi ko alam aso pala kinakain.
It's okay.
Saan ka naglalaro,
You're
ate?
smart.
Naglalaro
He's
po
not.
ako sa PC.
You're smarter than all of them.
Innocence ata. Yes, yung zombie nga. Kunin natin to. Kailangan natin to. Guys, kunin natin to. Nahihirapan tayo ha. Ito si Duck, guys. Kailangan natin apiran muna. Yes.
Hey, it's okay,
Nakakita ako
boy.
ng niluluto pero kumain
He can't
hindi.
hurt us.
Nakakita ka na ng niluluto.
Think he had himself tied up? Or did someone force him to do this? Stand back, okay?
Okay. Buti yung aso hindi niya pa kinakain, no? Ay, sa bagay, pangit nga pala yung amoy niya to. Di pa yan tapos, Clem. Isa pa.
Ugh.
Amo. Oh! Amo niya siguro yan. Thank you for following, Kish. Season 2 tama. Yes, it is. Sa pa, Clem. Ang tagal ay. Tigas ng ulo, no? Parang yung mga kalaban mo sa Valorant. Na-headshot mo na tapos hindi pa rin patay.
See, we just have to stay out of their reach.
Nagme-mute yan sila, Jacob.
I like to think that if they were alive, they'd probably want to help you. Nothing.
Aww. Great choice of game, ate. Yes, it is a great choice. And sobrang mura siya eh.
Still pretty sharp.
Magagalit ka ba pag may spoiler?
We won't go another night without food.
Hindi ako magagalit, pero kasi alam niyo yun guys, sinisira niyo yung yung point ng game. Kaya ka tayo naglalaro ng laro para para ma-experience yung game together. Taro ulit tayo. Di ikaw late. Di ka late. Atorias, good evening sa'yo. We're just 30 minutes in. Good boy. Ang galing naman ng bebe na yan.
I sure do.
Ikaw naman daw magbato. Yung aso naman yung magbato.
Think anyone's been sleeping in here? I can't tell. Maybe
Payat
we
na
better
nung
not
aso,
wait around to
guys.
find out.
Kawawa naman. Hindi sa game or movie. Spoiler sa sa spoiler sa sasakyan pala. Okay. Hindi naman tayo magagalit. Thank you pala sa Rose Kirito. Hindi talaga nag-notif sa akin. I'm so sorry, guys. Or delayed lang yung utak ko. Delayed yung utak. Wait lang. Hanap tayo ng gagawin. Baka yung barbecue meron something. Ito natin nakikita yung barbecue eh. Nagugulahan na ako sa'yo, ma. Nakagulo ba? Ay, ang
No
galing!
food here
Hindi mo
either.
pa yun nakita, no? Ito. Mandidiri ka pa ba?
Here we go.
Yes! Bagay sa kayo yung purple. Diba, guys? Ilang gigabytes yung
Oh my
game?
God.
Tingnan
Thank
natin.
you.
Ilang gigabytes nga ba to?
Look, a can. Let's see what's inside.
Parang maliit lang ata to. Ang bilis ko lang to na-download eh.
Please don't be
Starfish.
bad.
Thank you for following Aleza Ianya Baruga. Nanonood ka rin ba ng TWD? Yung first 3 seasons lang yung napanood ko. Yung hanggang yung magkaroon ng maliit na government ba yun? Kung nakapunta sila doon. Or, yung nasa prison sila tapos
I guess you are pretty hungry too.
Siyempre, hindi ba halata? Nanghihingi nga ako eh. Charot. Ilan to? Saan ako ba yung kita?
Here you go. Hey, you don't eat it all.
Shemay ka! Ang bad mo! Oh my God! Bakit ko kailangan to gawin? Ayoko patayin yung aso. Ah, baby! Ah, sama! Ang sakit!
I'm sorry.
Ayoko tingnan, guys. Bakit nila ginawa? Ah! Bakit nila ginawa yun? Ang pangit ka, Banding! Ano ba to? Telltale Games? Pwede naman yung mga si Doc na lang ulit, di ba? Thank you for following, period. Nakakainis! Bakit? Kakairita? Wala awa kay Doc. Si Ben na lang, guys. Si Ben na lang. PC po ito, guys. Kasi hindi ko makita yung kung ilang gig to kasi nga na-download ko na siya. Ayan, umiyak tuloy si Clem. Pangit kasi kabaanding ng Telltale eh. I'm sorry, Sidewalk. Don't judge me. I cannot. Kung ako yon, kung may iba pang option, tutulungan ko pa siyang umalis doon. Kahit sinaktan niya ako, tutulungan ko siyang umalis doon. Hindi yung papatayin ko siya. 45 gig pala, okay. I'm sorry guys, I'm not that kind of girl. Hayaan ko na lang siya mamatay. Charot! Hindi, kung ako nga papipiliin talaga, tatanggalin ko siya talaga dun sa kung ano man masakit. You know? Oh, naging zombie na siya. Hindi ko ba pwede ito patayin, guys? May pocket knife naman ako eh. Kawawa naman si Clementine. Uy! I know this guy! I know this guy! I know this guy, guys. Thank you for following TSTY Coffee.
I'm out. Grab her. Let's go.
I know this guy is good. Uy, nandiyan ka na, Francis. Welcome, welcome. Magandang gabi. Sana kumain ka na. Thank you for following Zenny Tor 10. Tor 1010.
I think we're safe.
Tsaka yung kapatid niya na naging zombie. Si Daryl ba yan?
Yeah, we're good.
Si Daryl? Daryl?
Hey, you all right?
Ng TWD?
I think so.
Hi, si magandang gabi. Yun nga, yung nasa TWD? Parang hindi naman niya kamukha. Ah, yung crossbow! Eto na yun?
What are
Siya
you
na
doing
yun?
out here?
Where are
Hindi
the,
ako mukha.
the people you're with? There's no chance you made it this long on your own.
I don't want them thinking we're doing anything but trying to help you.
My friend and I got attacked.
These folks mention what they were after?
They might have just wanted food. We were cooking some sort of weasel.
They attacked you for a weasel? Damn, that is low.
That is low talaga.
They
Save
didn't
lang
mention
sila
any
ng
names,
skill
right?
pero
They
yung
weren't searching
character
for
hindi.
anybody?
Ah, okay. Bawal ba may ibang nagko-crossbow? Charot!
Well, I'm Luke.
Pero
Mrs.
maganda
P.
siyang
Hey there.
maganda
Hi.
siyang weapon guys kasi hindi
I'm
ka
coming
nahihirapan. Ay, mahirap pala yung
It's
pag
nice to meet you,
ganun.
Clementine.
For now.
Do you
We're gonna
have
take you back to our
YT?
group.
Saan ko pwede
We got a
man
doctor with
panood
us, and
season
you
1
look like
gameplay
you
mo?
could use some-
Wala akong...
What? What is it?
Wala akong
She's-
YouTube. Should I?
Bit, man.
Should
Fuck.
I upload it?
Fuck,
Parang
fuck,
ang
fuck. What are we
pangit
gonna do
naman.
here?
Ang boring, guys.
No, it was a dog.
I didn't see any
Dapat
dog.
mag
Clementine.
ano.
Come on, kid. We just saw you with those lurkers back there.
It was. I swear.
Swearing doesn't
Laro
make
mo
something
din
so.
ba yung
No. I'm telling you
400
the truth.
days? Yes,
Please.
I did. I should. Sige, pag sinipag ako, guys. Thank you for following, Tres. Thank you for following,
Alright.
Ed.
Let's
Whoa,
see.
Should.
whoa, whoa, hey, watch yourself.
Pag-isipan ko, guys. Pag
Hey, don't
sinipag.
look at me
Pero,
like that. You're the one that's bit here, okay?
gagawin ko lang yan para sa inyo. Meron akong YouTube, meron na rin naman akong channel, pero wala naman akong masyado
Is it,
nakalagay doon.
So like she says?
Well, could
Kita-kita
be. Bob. Hard to
sa,
say.
sa YouTube. Magiging famous
So
ka
where'd this
katulad
dog
ni
go?
File Station. Hindi talaga.
The one that
Masyado
did
kayo
this.
umaasa.
What does that matter, Pete? Seriously.
I want to know how believable her story is.
I don't know.
Thank you for
So,
sharing the
a dog
live,
runs
Raul.
up, bites you, and
YouTube
then just
na.
disappears? Just some
Sino
magical
ba si
asshole
File
dog in
Station?
the
Tapos
forest?
Wanted
nag-curious
my
tuloy
food.
ako. Ba't
What?
ka
Did you
na
expect it to
nag-stop
stick around?
manood
I
ng
don't know.
TWD? Hindi dahil sa, sa story niya. Ang ganda yung
Clementine?
story niya. Talagang,
Yes.
tinamad lang
You
ako.
telling
And
us the
kailangan mo
truth?
kasi commitment para manood talaga eh.
You look me in the eyes when you answer.
Yes.
Thank you for following, Mob.
All right,
Zombie.
Clementine.
Yan. Yes,
That's good
zombie
enough for
po
me.
Well, what
ito.
else was she gonna say?
Nothing is impossible,
good
ba tiwala
bullshit
lang?
to
Grabe
tell
yung
you.
tiwala niyo sa akin,
You
guys.
never beat me at poker.
Pero tingnan natin,
You
guys.
don't always beat me at.
Ano yung,
How can you be sure?
quote na yun?
Well, I'm sure I ain't willing to leave
At
a little
least
girl
we
in the
tried.
woods to die. We got a doctor with us that can make a call. We can have Carlos take a look at
Kaya
it
mo
first.
test si Speed, tinapos buong TWD
Nick ain't gonna like this.
season 1 to
Not with
season
what
4
happened.
You don't have
in
to
2
remind
days.
me of that.
Guys, wala akong kasing daming
Sorry,
time
sir.
katulad ni Speed. Kailangan natin ng pera. Kailangan natin
Come on.
magtrabaho. Tatapusin ko yung buong series. Yes, tinatapos ko. Tiwala lang. Just do it. Oh, okay, I will do it. Thank you guys for, believing in me.
Clementine, you feeling all right?
I'm fine. Just tired.
Well, you better be fine. 'Cause I ain't
Kailangan
carrying you
mo nang
anymore with that bite on your arm.
i-cure yan.
Don't worry
Clementine,
about-
magiging zombie ka talaga. Shams. I know for sure magiging favorite game mo yun. Since, nung bata kasi ako napanood ko na nga to, tapos kay PewDiePie. So, since then, gustong-gusto ko na siyang laruin. Parang tinry ko din siya sa tablet. Pero isang season lang, ay isang episode lang pala yun, yung libre. Eh, bata pa ako na di ko pa afford, guys, eh. Not a spoiler, but personally, ayan po, best season. Wow! Amazing!
What? And you just believed her? You should have put her out of her misery right there. Dog bite my ass.
I need a
I
doctor.
need a doctor.
Keep your finger off the trigger, boy.
Grabe naman yun.
What the
You
fuck?
idiot! Every
Thank you
lurker
for following,
5 miles
Lancy.
probably heard
You're the one
that.
telling me to fucking shoot her. Everybody just calm down for a second.
Tapos
you
Ken,
okay?
puro crack lang.
I just need a doctor.
At least nilaro mo, di ba?
And then I'll go. I don't want
Mahirap
my arm
sa
to get
ekonomiya
None of
ito
us wanna
talaga.
get
Thank you for
infected.
following
That's the
period.
We got a doctor right here.
Period.
Okay, he'll have a look. Now what the hell is wrong with you people? Okay,
Season
she's
3
just
the
scared.
best.
We're all
Sige,
scared, Luke.
wag-
Don't act like we're the ones being irrational because we don't
May
buy this
kinainisan nga
bullshit
pala
story.
ako
Wait,
dyan.
she survived
Hala!
out here on her own. Why are we even arguing about this?
Let me take a look.
Hindi, kamukha niya lang pala. Akala ko ito guys yung kanina. Akala ko yun yung nag-ano sa kanya dun sa, what do you call this? Sa CR. Thank you for following Ramen.
It's okay. Go ahead, he's a doctor.
Kapangalan ko kasi yung ano. Any favorite mother ko. Wala ka palang choice kasi yung kapangalan eh.
Whatever
Ang
it
bilis
was,
naman
it
nito.
got you good.
Sino mabilis?
This isn't how we do
Solid
things, man.
talaga sana
When you're
yung
bit,
game na
you
yan.
get put
if
down.
OG mga
End of
character.
story.
Totoo,
I'm not going through
parang,
this again.
No
kaso
one's
kapag
suggesting
OG
that.
yung
Could
character,
take her
guys,
arm off.
di expected yun na kung anong
I know
mangyayari.
that worked for a cousin down in Ainsworth. We could try that.
It won't do any good. You'll just be making it worse for the girl.
It's crazy. No one's going to volunteer to do that.
I would. If it
I just want to fix my arm to stop the bleeding. I'm not gonna hurt anyone. I promise you, it was just a dog bite. That's all it was.
Yes.
You'll know soon enough, young lady.
Thank you for following. Kung sino ka man, hindi ko nakikita.
Sarah, what I say, stay
Started
inside.
yung heart started following you. Amazing. Oh, di ba? Sobrang familiar yung mga mukha nila.
Really, really hurts. And it's only gonna get worse.
A
What do
dog,
you
you
think about
say?
the ending of
Do you
season
think it could
1?
have had rabies?
Out
Feeling
here,
ko,
who knows?
sobrang
Right
minadali
now,
siya.
that's the least of your concerns.
Kasi hindi naman ako nagmamadali
I
maglaro,
understand
guys
you're
eh.
scared, and I feel
Talagang
terrible delaying treatment.
ayoko pang mamatay si
We gotta
Lee.
be sure.
Mas gusto ko siya mamatay sa season 2 pa. Thank you for following Thank you for following
So,
Lucas,
what do you
and
think? What's
kung
the
sino ka
record?
man ulit,
A
thank
bite
you for
like that
following.
Could be anything. Only one way to find out.
Dalawa nga pala yun. Bumalik inis ko
By
ma.
tomorrow morning, if the fever set in, we'll know if she's gonna turn.
Feeling ko,
In the meantime,
may hula na ako
we can
dyan.
lock her in the shed.
Get ready to get frustrated by these adults this season. Ang dami
What
nila,
about
ano
my arm?
guys?
It needs to get cleaned
Tapos
and
wala man
stitched
lang,
and bandaged.
wala man lang
girl
yung
is
mga
in bad
nandun sa
shape,
400
Carlos.
days.
We have all that stuff inside the cabin. We could probably get
Ang
by
gwapo
with
na
it.
itong isa. Ano pangalan ng
But
isa?
we can't do nothing.
I'm not wasting supplies on a lurker
necklace.
bite. If it turns out you're telling the truth, I'll clean it and stitch it up for you in the morning.
But
I'm sorry.
Aray ko. Andito ka pala, Jay. Yung anak,
Finger
di ba?
off the
Yung
trigger,
anak
son.
ng mother.
Thank you, son.
Don't be like that, man.
It's
To
all
my...
right. Boy's got his
Sige,
mom's
sige.
temper.
May malalaman kay Rare Dialogue.
on.
Sige.
This is just a waste of time. You'll see. And when she turns, I ain't gonna be the one cleaning up the shed.
Huwag ka naman, no?
it was a dog.
You'll see.
I guess we'll find out in the morning.
If I last that long, maybe you could go look for it?
Ay, guys,
I wish I could.
natatandaan ko to.
I really do, but
Ayoko
it's
din
too
tong
risky.
part.
Sorry.
Hi, why do I have to do this? Pwede bang pasab, guys? Pasab muna. Ayoko lang nitong sina to. Gusto ko na yung susunod. Pa-fast forward na muna. Anong for safety lang din na kahit sino mo naman. Anong for safety? Ano yung sinasabi mo, Jay? Yeah, that is the toughest sin, bro. Ayoko din na itong sin na to, guys. Pwede pa sa...
I'm doing this
Pero ba ito gawin ng nakapikit?
because it's safer this way, and I'd rather be sure. Yeah, safer for who?
I can't believe this.
Ah, okay. I-explain mo pala yung nangyayari. Okay.
You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine.
Kahit ako, ikukulong kita eh. Aray ko. Lugi naman sa'yo, Jay. Shit! Ayoko na! Paano matulog? Ipikit mo ang mata mo. Tapos, manood ka ng mga vertical reels. Vertical? Tumakas ko po. Kunin niyo po. Thank you.
Not much left in here.
Hi, Rio. Magandang
I
gabi.
guess if I have to, I can use this for stitches.
Stress ako. What? Fishing line? Seriously? Nice. Lang, galing mo, Clementine. Nag-upload ka ba sa F-App para mapanood na kita somewhere? Hindi po ako nag-upload sa F-App kasi nga parang wala na masyado tumitingin doon. Kaya mas gusto ko dito sa TikTok. Kailangan ko nga yung hammer, guys. Pwede ba akong umakyat dito? O, pwede nga. Ang galing. Thank you for following Lazy Artist. Patay na ako! Patay ka na, Lee. Ba't ka kasi nagpakagat? Aray ko! Shit! Ah! Kawawa naman si Lee, namatay na. Mukha nito ka naiyak. Mukha nga. Ayoko nito eh. Nakakainis kung paano nabit si Lee. Parang so stupid ang nangyari. Diba? Sobrang stupid talaga. Alam mo yun yung pinakaayoko sa lahat sa mga palabas. Ayoko talaga yung mga ganon. Yung walang kwenta yung pagkamatay nila. After so many times na pwede sila mamamatay, mamamatay sila dun sa kawalang kwentahang bagay pa.
Doctor.
Motivation ka dyan, yes.
Stitches.
Dapat pumunta na lang siya ng Atlantis. Sa tubig. Ano yun? May dumi. Find a way into the can. Okay. Kailangan natin pumasok. Naalala ko ako yung nag-spoil sa'yo nung nakaraan na mamamatay si Lee. Ay, nako, Rio. Wag nang gagawin ulit, ha? Thank you for sharing, Miniba. Sana magbago ka na. Kala ko mabuhay si Lee nung pinutol yung kamay. Make sense naman yun, guys. Pero kasi, ako, gagawin ko yun. Gagawin ko yung pagputol sa kamay niya if mabilis kong ginawa, 'di ba? Hindi yung antagal na ng oras na lumipas, tapos doon ko pa lang tatanggalin yung yung kamay ko, 'di ba? Sayang na sayang. Thank you for following Cookies and Raven Flores. Thank you, thank you. Didn't sense for me kasi ang tagal niyan. Ayun nga. Diba? Ang tagal niya na nabit. Bounce muna ako, makachat ko si girl best friend. Wow! Girl best friend! Girl best friend lang ba? Sige, Jay. Para maiba naman yung ginagawa mo, hindi yung puro kakain. Ate, nasan si Lee? Ayan, kasama niyo sa chat.
House meeting in 5 minutes.
Kaiyak, namatay si Lee sa season 1. Nalulungkot din ako namatay si Lee. Pero kasi ba't naman ganun? Ang bilis talaga. Dapat hindi sa season 1, guys. Ano to? Trapdoor. Dapat ba ito? Okay. So, kailangan natin yung pocket knife. Don't worry, naka-split screen ako. Grabe yun. Ang sipag mo naman sa part na yan. Ano yan? Thank you for following, Rio. Ganun ba yung knife? Siguro mapurol na siya. Sinira ko lang yung knife, guys. Ano ba yan? Pero kunat nili sa season 1, dumaan sa motel para isa eh. Diba?
He doesn't need to be a part of it.
Ate ko na second favorite kong gamer. First, sino kaya yung si Kuya Pyle? Pilipino ba yung si Pyle Station, guys? Tag build yan. Pilipino din siya. Sige, tingnan ko din. Dito din ba sa TikTok? Nasa intro niya ako, te. Wow, taray! For the support ka din talaga, no? Oh, okay. Hindi kasi ako masyadong tumitingin sa mga stream. Para yung pinapanood ko kasi sa OTV. TWDG mention. Nilalaro. Bathroom door. Bedroom door. Diretso tayo sa ano. Ay, sige sa bedroom door. Hindi parang may tao sa... Ay, baka sa bathroom door. Kasi may medicine cabinet sa bathroom. Ka-level ba ni ate si Pokemon? Sinong ate yan? Sinong ate mo dyan? Sila din naka-discover, pwede ka mag-camouflage using zombie guts. Yun nga hindi ko alam bakit nagmalinis to si, bakit siya naligo. Eh, kapag may zombie guts, 'di ba? At least yun, hindi ka lalapitan ng mga zombie. Ate, sunod mo The Last of Us, please. Pagpipilian natin yan kung ano unahin natin, guys. Hindi ka ba natatakot sa horror games? Takot po ako, pero curious po kasi akong tao.
That man sometimes.
Tatapusin ko yung episode 2. Di ba nakalagay? Parang nakalagay sa stream ko ngayon na yung caption niya. Season 2, episode 1, episode 2? Bulag ka. Naku po, mahirap yan, Jay. Bulag ka pero nakakapag-autoclicker ka pa din. Paiyak-iyak pa yung si Clem. Pwede namang hayaan na lang sana mag-turn si Eyeball. Yeah. Eh, wala tayong... Eyeball? Si Lee? Shower out. Shout out, rap. Pwede ba siya sa mobile phone? Sabi nila guys, sabi ng mga viewers natin, pwede daw siya. Meron din siyang mobile app, pero may bayad siya kada season. Narinig niyo po yung sabi ng pregnant lady. Actually, hindi. Kasi ang daldal ko na naman. At least honest!
You're not supposed to be in here.
What the heck? Yuck!
Hi. Can you please help me?
What the heck?
I'm not
Kadiri
supposed to
naman
talk to you.
yun.
My dad can't know. Help me, and I won't tell him.
Pwede si Sapur na...
I'm hurt. Please help me. Well, I shouldn't. What happened to you? A dog bit me. Sounds scary. I bet it hurts.
Yes.
I could die if I don't take care of it. Do you understand?
Parang ako lang ito, guys, oh.
I need something to clean it
Ako
up.
si Sarah.
And something to wrap it with.
Kanta nga,
Clean
Sarah.
bandage. My dad says we're out of real bandages, but I know where to get some in to clean it. That's what this supplies. I'll help you.
Ganyan yung hair ko usually. Magulo.
I'm Sarah.
Haggard.
I'm Clementine.
Nung pandemic, nakabangsa ko kasi wala tayong magawa dito sa bahay eh.
My age since way before.
Pero hindi ko na siya ulitin. Hindi siya bagay sa matanda.
Rebecca's okay, but she's old. And that's it. And if her baby is a girl, it'll be forever before she's old enough to, like,
Okay,
be my
difference
friend.
tayo.
And then I'll be super old. Yes, we are friends. Promise? It's important. Friends have to trust each other. No
Ang
matter
dami mo
what.
sinasabing para kasi, Doc!
Alright, fine. I get it. Come on, I said yes.
Sabi,
It's not the same.
para kang si Doc. Ang ingay mo, mas matanda ka sa akin. Charot.
Yes.
Ayaw ko nga. Paano pag nilib ulit natin to? Palakihin pa yung text. Bakit may nag-spoil pa din?
A pinky swears forever.
Siya yung pumalit kay Doc. Okay.
I'll see if I can find the stuff my dad uses when I get a cut. Let me look around.
Thank you. Pwede pala yun. Kailangan maging friend Buddha bago tumulong. Ano yun? Thank you for following, Sigmon.
That'll work. You can't do it here, though. Someone will find you.
Okay,
Don't
thank
worry,
you.
I
I
won't.
will. Thank you for following JNR 163. Si Doc and Ben yan. Pinagsama,
Thanks,
no?
Sarah.
Malupit. Ang ingay niya. So, baba na tayo, guys. Kailangan ko pa ng bandages. Ba yan? Thank you for following Drian. Huwag na. Back tayo, guys. Ay, sorry. Nag-escape yarn. Is this season 2? Yes, it's season 2. Huwag natin kunin yung hindi atin kasi mas may kita
Not
tayo,
exactly
guys.
bandages, but they should help stop the bleeding.
Titingin pa ba tayo? Titingin tayo, syempre curious tayo. Ano ba mangyayari? Biling ko may lalabas. Okay, wait na tayo. Wait na tayo, wait na tayo. Yee. Sino po so far fave character niya sa season 2? Siyempre, ito si Clementine. Tinatanong pa ba yan? Tapos yung Pogi. Sino ba yung Pogi na yun? Sa'yo yun, Relo. Kasi kapag nawala yun, guys, mga ganyang bagay, pag nawawala, mahirap. Saan nga ba ako galing? Ito ba ako galing? Diba nakalimutan ko kagad? Look, orange clothes. Yung may necklace ba yun? Yung unang nakita sa akin. Si Jay. Stop mentioning me. Si Luke. Okay, Luke yung name niya. O diba pati pangalan. Okay na okay. Ito na guys. Oh, kayo na. Kayo na maglaro. Kayo na. Kaya nyo na yan guys. Kaya nyo na to. Tama, di ba? Ang pogi ng pangalan at papogi ng character.
This is gonna suck.
Bakit? Kayo na guys. Kaya nyo na to. Fun fact din sa akin guys. Kapag nagkakaroon ng sugat yung kung sino man sa pamilya ko, kahit sino pa man yan, tapos kailangan nila ng tulong, hindi talaga kahit sino pa yung masaktan,
Okay, I'm good.
hindi ko kayang tumulong. Kaya hindi ako pwede maging nurse eh. Kasi sobrang takot ako. Yung parang, no, okay na
Now the
ako.
fun part.
Kaya yun na yan. Magpatulong na lang kayo sa doctor, nurse. Ito na guys. Shit, ka. Hindi pa naman ako nawawalan ng malay pag nagkakasugat. Ako na nahihimatay. Ikaw! Grabe naman!
No.
Ang lala mo naman, Yoshi!
Just how Krista showed me.
So kalab, pwede na. Di ba masakit yun? But, seriously? Kailangan ko hawakan pa? Ano ba kailangan ko? Ah! Imagine ginagawa niyo to sa sarili niyo. Grabe yung torture. Ba't ganyan yung sugat mo sa kamay mo ngayon, Gavin? Anong ginawa mo? Shit. Hi, Shems. Oh. Bilisan ko. Hindi ko mabibilisan. Masakit nga, guys. Ay. Oh my God. Imagine gagawin mo yan. Thank you for sharing, Puroy. Grabe! Ang sarap na to sa mga kumakain dyan, no? Oh. 5 lives na lang meron ako, ma. Anong ginawa mo? Pusa ka ba, Yoshi? Ano nangyari? Nilapitan pa! Okay, tapos na. Okay na? Asa na yung 4? Sa kamay, sa pilikmata, tsaka sa binti ko. Ano nangyari sa'yo, Gavin? Sana okay ka pa.
Good enough.
Okay. Good job, Clementine. Buti ka pa. Tama ba yun? Ayoko na. Asan na? Labanan mo, boy! Ay! Ay! And live na, guys! Hinangyi! Whew, my life. Tamaan mo nga, Clem. Ano ba pwede kong gamitin, guys? Ano ba? Ayoko na! Hindi ko naman niya magamit. Tinitingnan ko naman yung table. Inaaway ako. May hawak na siyang rake, guys. Bakit hindi niya gamitin yung rake? May rake siyang, pwede niya gamitin yung rake. Another one. Okay Okay, nakita ko na. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. Putik na yan kasi meron naman kasing Rick eh. Pwede naman gamitin yun. Patusok din naman yun eh. Anong klaseng laro to?
Holy shit.
What the?
How the hell did he get in here? Little girl's tough as nails.
Are you all right?
I'm still not bitten.
Gusto din
I
magpatahin
never
ng
was.
zombie.
And you left me out here to die.
You
Eh,
patched yourself up?
Where'd you get that stuff?
hindi pa ba nakikita?
This doesn't change a thing. She hasn't done anything to us.
I did. I took stuff, and I'm sorry. I really am.
And you think you can trust her?
God damn it, don't even start. Any of you would have done the same
Ang
if you
epal
were
mo.
half as tough as this little girl. So just save it.
Bring her in, and I'll take a look at her arm.
Damn lurkers sneaking around out here. We better get inside.
You hungry?
I do. I am. Yes. Very much. I'm so sorry. Pero guys, alam niyo yun? Meron namang rake, mas madaming tusok dun sa rake. Bakit hindi na lang yung pinukpok niya, 'di ba?
This might hurt a little.
Napa-English eh.
How's she look?
Her suturing skills
May
need
bad-
some work,
kaya.
but otherwise,
Hindi,
I say she should be
magpahinga kayo
fine.
guys ngayon.
So, it wasn't
Pagpahingayin
a
nyo
lurker
naman
bite?
sarili nyo sa
If
kakalay.
it was, the fever would have already set in, and her temperature would be through the roof.
Ayaw ni Derek. Gusto na ni Derek, iba pang weapon. Ang arte ah. Daming gusto. Mabigat. Nakuha niya nga eh. Napush niya nga yung ano.
I wish you
Artista
wouldn't
po
have
yung
done what
voice
you
actor
did.
ni Luke. Scott Porter. Hindi ko siya kilala.
What do you mean?
You manipulated my daughter.
I asked for her help.
She's not someone you can just ask for help. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt, but there are a few things you need to know about my daughter.
Okay.
Okay.
She isn't like you. You may
One
not
time
get
use
that
lang daw, Rick.
initially, but once you're around her for a
Nag-expire na
while,
pala
you'll
agad yung Rick.
understand. If she knew how bad the world is, what it's really like out there, she would cease to function. She's my little girl. She's all I have left, and I would ask that you stay away from her.
Okay. I will.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
It's okay. You're forgiven. Just don't make
I
any more
think she's like
mistakes.
special Sarah. I remember someone sa pangalan niya din Sarah. Very special din siya. Parang absent siya ng absent.
Hey, brought you some food if you're hungry.
Baka mapurol yung Rick, dapat pinatalas niya
That's gonna
muna,
leave
no?
one hell of a scar.
Better than losing it.
Well, you could say that again. Scars? They're way cooler than stumps.
Okay, edi cool ako. Hindi, yoko sa ganyan. Mabaho yan.
Hey, look.
Tinitina mo
So
pa lang
sad.
mga hindi na to naliligaw mga
Gonna
to
dig
eh.
up there. I got kind of aggro, and that was definitely not cool.
Nick's been known to
Nasaan
go
na yung
off every once in a while.
patatas? Asa
Don't
na
hold it
nga?
against him.
Yeah, I guess we all have our moments.
You definitely had one out there.
You were just protecting your friends. I get it.
I didn't mean to be so harsh. I just... we had a bad experience once.
We've all had bad experiences.
Yes. Wala talaga ligo sila.
Nick
Nasa
lost his mom.
apocalypse sila.
We took care of someone who got
Kadiri.
bit.
It was my fault.
It was no one's fault.
Thank you for sharing the live,
thought we
Puroy.
could control,
Nananahimik ka lang,
we
Puroy,
couldn't.
ah. Puro share ka dyan.
And then she
Thank
turned,
you, thank
and
you.
his mom was standing right there, and she got attacked.
Mas
There was
nagugutom
nothing we could do
zombie
about it.
pag nakakaamoy ng mabango.
Anyway,
Sa
hopefully you
bagay.
understand.
Mas masarap pag mabango kasi.
I do. Yeah.
Leave us. Pag-uusap pa kami na to. Parang
So,
sign na yan, Mars.
since you're
Ituloy mo na
pretty much
yan.
on your own, what's your plan?
I'm thinking about moving on.
Well, you're welcome to stay here if you want.
Pwede
Let
naman
yourself
pala
heal
eh.
up. Take some time to sort things out.
Pwede naman pala ako
Do you
maiwan
think
dito.
everyone else will be
Thank
okay
you for
with it?
spamming the
No, it's
share, Jay. Nalipat ata yung auto-clicker mo, Jay. Episode
So,
2 pa lang ako sa pinapanood kong
What happened
YouTuber
to
eh.
your parents?
Oh,
If you don't
tuloy mo na
mind me
yan.
asking. I mean, I assume what happened to them is what happened to just about
Thank
everyone's
you for
parents.
sharing the live again, Yoshi.
Just so young. Didn't think you could have made it on your own for so long, but maybe you did.
Other people took care of me, if that's what you're asking.
I was just curious on how you made it
Anong
this far.
laro yan? Nandito
I
sa
just
chat
tried to
yung
stay with good people and
yung
not do
name
anything
niya,
dumb.
yung game name.
Hey,
It's The
I'm
Walking
sorry.
Dead, The Telltale Definitive
shouldn't have
Series.
asked.
My parents went on vacation and left me with a babysitter,
And they
and they never came back. We went to Savannah to find them,
But they were
but they were
already
already dead.
Wow.
Nakakamiss
I'm
si
sorry
Luke.
to hear that.
Grabe, ang dami may crush kay Luke.
This man found me and took care of me. We met up with other survivors and we all tried to make it. But it didn't work.
Parang
His name
nag-enjoy
is
yung mga mods
He
natin.
taught me how to survive. He's the reason I keep my hair short.
What happened to him?
Jay, hindi ikaw yan. Jay pangalan mo, hindi Luke.
I ran away. I was stupid. There was a man who said he knew my parents. I thought I knew what I was doing, but I ran away. And Lee died because of it.
Maybe he would have died anyways.
No.
It was my fault. I just...
Ang walang kwenta
Sometimes
talaga nung
people die because of me.
pagkamatay ni Lee eh. Like seriously, kahit siguro inuna
I
ko
hate to
palang
interrupt, but I'm
open
out
yung
there standing
cartoon.
watching. I can't help
Pero,
but notice this place
nakagat
is
pa
lit
rin
up
siya
like a
nun.
goddamn beacon in the middle of
God.
the woods.
Yeah, it's time to turn in anyways.
Now get your winks while you can, because we're going fishing at first light. Couple fresh brookies for dinner.
Masaya
Would
naman
that be
ata kay Pyle. Papanoorin ko din si Pyle. Yung mga nauna niya alang episode. Ang cute niya naman. Ginitian lang.
Oh, you're still here.
Seriously? Ano problema mo sa akin, boy?
I wouldn't
Ala,
be comfortable
na-curious
if I
talaga
were
kung
you.
sino si Pyle. Thank you for the rose, Jay. Thank you for the rose, Anonymous.
Luke invited me to stay.
Good for him, but that's not how things work around here. We make decisions as a group, and you're wearing out your welcome.
Kay Larry, wala siyang
You got
kwenta.
what you came here for. Now go.
Wala siyang kwenta. Walang kwenta si Larry, guys. Tama lang na namatay siya agad. Wala mga hindi ko kilala yung mga ano nyo. Mga naipapanood yung streamer. Yung mga kilala ko lang dito sa Pilipinas, sila Razzie, sila Magu, si...
How you holding up? I heard you
Streamer
got
ba
an
si
earful from Rebecca last
Si
night.
Charis? Hindi ata.
Once she gets going, there's no bringing her back. Her bark's worse than her bite.
She doesn't
She's
scare
all
me.
talk. She doesn't scare me.
She was in a mood last night.
Ano yung
That's for
anong
sure.
bathroom scene? Wala pa ako nakitang bathroom scene.
How far are these fish traps?
Kanina ka pa
It ain't
nandito,
much
yes, Francis. Nanonood ka lang dyan, tahimik lang. Tahimik lang? Hindi naman ikaw si Mark. First
Anyone
time
teach
playing
you
it,
how to
it's
shoot?
my first time.
By that I mean taught proper. Any idiot with a finger can shoot.
My friend Lee taught me.
That's good. It's important nowadays.
Hindi ko kilala si Rebecca.
Nick was about your age. First time I took
Si
him hunting.
Rebecca ang alam ko
Came
nasa
across this
Phasmophobia.
beautiful 13-point buck just standing there on the ridge line. The boy takes the rifle, he lines up the shot just like I taught him, and then I hear him start whining.
Thank you
He
for
turns to
following
me and he says,
Asteris.
I can't do it. I can't shoot it, Uncle Pete. Please don't make me shoot it.
Ang bilis naman nun.
Hey! Why didn't you wait?
You want us standing around while you piss on a tree? You know where the river is, boy. Anyway.
Yung
So I
buntis,
grabbed the
pangalan
gun
niya
I was
Rebecca.
hanging
Hindi
before
ko
the
kailangan
big buck
alalahanin
runs
yung
off,
pangalan
when
niya. Wala
bang,
siyang
the
kwenta.
gun fires.
Sorry
Boy
sa
nearly
nanay mo,
gut-shot
Jay.
me. And of course, the buck gets away.
What are you going and telling her this shit for?
Because you almost blew her face off yesterday.
Tama.
Seems relevant. Trying to let her know it's nothing personal with you.
Why are you always giving me a hard
Ah,
time?
yun.
Because you're always
Yun
giving
pala
everyone else a
yun.
hard time.
Yun na pala
I
yung bathroom
apologize
scene na
already.
tinatanong mo.
She
Yes,
accepted.
nakita ko na
Okay,
yun.
well, I didn't know that.
It's fine. He apologized.
You're always trying to embarrass me.
You're doing a good enough job of that on your own.
Ah.
Leaving us again.
I know where the
Pangit
fucking
ng mga
river is.
ganitong tao, guys. Yung binabalik yung yung pagkakamali ng isang tao. Kahit,
So anyway,
kahit
I
hindi
found
niya
that
naman
buck later
sinasadya.
that season.
He's trying
Shot
his
it right
best.
in the neck. Brought it up to my
Kain muna
sisters
ako,
figuring
baka
she'd
ako
want to
yung
freeze
maging
some of the
crazy
meat.
na.
Nick
Ka-
didn't
kain
speak to me for
well.
weeks. Sometimes you gotta play a role. Even if it means people you love hate you for it.
Thank you for following me, yo. You should tell him
You
that.
should tell him that.
Uncle Pete!
Nick! Jesus, Mary, and Joseph.
Dagdagan mo pa yung problema niya, Jay. Sama na ugali. Here we go. Tap-tap gaming ulit. Hello, PJP. Welcome. Tara, luto,
Who do you
pansit
think did
canton.
this?
Napanood
Not
niyo ba
sure
yung kay
yet,
Eri
but it ain't
Divan?
your
Ang
average
saya
gang of
nung
thugs,
ano
that
niya,
much I
nung
know.
vlog, yung post niya dito sa TikTok.
Think about it. You're Carver, what do you do?
Who's Carver?
Thank you for sharing again, Jay.
Check those guys there. Be careful.
Ako nga
Some
ginuloy.
of them might still
Dapat
be moving.
nga, dagdagan mo pa. Para hindi ka naguloyin, charot. I'm paying attention naman. Saan yan pwede ma-download,
This one's shot
ate?
too.
Nasa Steam ko to
Through the
binili.
head?
Kaso mahal siya at the moment. 1.4 siya.
Yeah.
Check the rest.
Talagang mag-antay
And look
ka lang
for ammo.
talaga. Hi,
We're running low.
hi Klo. Hi Kiyo. Thank you for the bibingka. Simbang gabi. Ay, na naman. Charot. Pasapin muna natin si Nick, guys. Hindi, parang buhay pa to, guys. Ba't niya tinitigan lang? Ano yun? Tinitigan
Can I
ko.
help?
I got it.
Nilapitan ko.
There are more out there.
This wasn't no rinky-dink pissing match.
What was it then?
Foobar.
Wala pa
Where are you going?
Burmans. Baby
We need to get
Bingka
the fuck
na.
out of here.
Sa amin,
Gotta check the
all
rest.
year round baby
What?
bingka
Why?
na nagbebenta.
Calm down and
Yung
think
sa
about
tapat
it, son.
ng
Calm
simbahan.
down. We gotta get out of here now.
Jesus Christ, get a hold of yourself.
What if someone's alive, Nick?
Who cares?
Because they might just
Thank
be
you for
inclined to tell us who
following,
did this.
ano,
We gotta do this now.
Colon.
Stay here.
apostrophe.
Keep searching these.
This is a dumb idea.
You know, Nick, I don't like this either. But sooner or later, you're gonna have to realize a simple truth.
What, that you're an asshole?
That nobody in this world is ever gonna give a goddamn whether you like something or not. You gotta grow up, son.
Whatever.
Come on, Clem. Want to be useful? Keep a lookout on that tree line.
Tree
Whoever
line.
did this might still be out there, waiting for another sucker to stumble across this mess, just like baiting a fish. It's what I'd do.
I'd be more useful with a gun.
I don't doubt it.
At some point, you guys have to trust me.
Hell, I trust you.
Bakit niyo ako sinama
Not
dito
everyone's
kung
at
wala
that
naman
point
akong
yet.
weapon, di ba?
Give
Parang
them time.
timang.
Look, just keep your head on straight. Same deal. All shot to pieces. Hope this isn't anyone you know.
No.
Good.
Amin na yan. Give it to me.
Damn it. More on that side. You check out these ones. See if there's anything on them that'll tell us who they were.
Thank you for following, Larry. Si Larry? Ba't nabuhay si Larry? Hala! Ito ba siya? Ito siya, guys! Si Krista to, di ba? Hindi ba? Ay, hindi. Dali ka usap. Kamukha. Bakit nandito si Larry? Uminom ka na ba ng medicines mo, Larry? Pwede ba kunin ko muna, guys, yung yung weapon, no? Para maging, maging efficient tayo, no? Saan na yung weapon? Pwede yung weapon, no? Pangit ka, banding. Ay! Ito, very, parang buhay siya, eh. Ah, may hammer pa pala tayo, guys. Okay. Perfect. Hi! Yung backpack niya. Hindi mo muna chinek, Clem. Uy! Di ba ito yung tatay?
Do I know you?
Di ba ito yung tatay? Kamukha lang.
You were in the woods
Ang
with
daming
Krista.
Ang daming ang
The
daming
woman
kamukha.
I was with.
Sa PCS
What
po.
happened to her? Please, tell me. Tell me.
Akala ko yung tatay ni Sarah.
Please.
No, hindi mo ako tinulungan kanina.
Please.
Anong please ka dyan? Yes, ito nga yung matake. Di ba si Krista yung kanina? Shems. Oh, sige,
Pete! I'm
ayusin mo.
fine. Just lost my footing. Damn it. God
Shems.
damn it.
Shems, kinagat ka?
Lurkers! I'm out of ammo! Come this way!
Son of a bitch. Damn it! You get your asses over here, both of
I'll
you!
cover you!
Anong gagawin ko na naman? Mamimili na naman
gotta
ako!
get out of here.
Get over here, goddammit!
Can't you listen to me once? Just one time? I've got ammo!
Mas madami
Listen
dito.
to me, damn it!
Mas madami dito. Tutulong tayo dito.
Pete! Pete!
No!
No!
We have to go.
You saved it! How could you just leave me?
Ang dami nagagalit! Guys, dalawa lang yung kalaban niya
What
sa,
are we gonna
sa
do?
sa kabila. Hindi niya ako pinagkatiwalaan sa gun. Okay? Wala silang binigay na
Someone's
weapon.
Someone came here looking for you. A man.
What? Did he say what his name was?
We know damn well who it was.
Who is he?
One of the guys we were with before.
Totoo!
What's he gonna do?
Oh, tama ka, Gavin. Di ba, na-bite na din, meron na din siyang bite. So, tama na pinili ko si Nick.
keep going. I figure we got about
Bakit si Pete yung
more days
gusto
to reach
nyo,
those mountains.
guys?
We ain't here to rob nobody. Just relax and put the gun down, man.
Sa'yo mas magkakaroon
I thought
sana
you were
ng
dead.
character development si Clem dun sa papa niya. Nakakainis kasi, guys. Bakit kailangan ako yung walang weapon, tapos magpapatulong kayo sa akin? Diba? Parang timang. Did you give water to the dying man? No. Did you save Nick or Pete? Oh, onti lang pala talaga kami. Kasi nga, walang kwenta si Nick. Yes, I get it. Ate, hindi mo narinig sabi ni Clem. Hindi ko narinig. Ang dami ko ina-explain. Ando ulit. Masama kasi ugali nung isa, tas mawawala tiwala. Masama para sa akin ayoko si Pete. Guys, sinabi ko kanina. Ayoko si Pete kasi binabalik niya yung mali nga ng tao.